Do you know what is the most important thing to speak English? The answer is you have to listen and speak. When we talk to someone, we have to listen and speak. So you need to learn questions and answers. If you can answer questions or ask questions, then the work will be much easier. So today I will teach you some questions and answers that you can use everywhere and learn to speak English quickly. So let's begin. Is it durable? Is it durable? Yes, it's durable. Yes, it's durable. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am single. No, I am single. Is this heavy? Is this heavy? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Will it work? Will it work? It will work. It will work. Whose are these? Whose are these? These are mine. These are mine. Who took that? Who took that? I didn't take. I didn't take. Who hit whom? Who hit whom? Tom hit him. Tom hit him. Who goes fast? Who goes fast? You go fast. You go fast. Who asked you? Who asked you? He asked me. He asked me. What's the matter? What's the matter? He abused me. He abused me. Want to bet? Want to bet? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you want something? Do you want something? Not at all. Not at all. Shall I start? Shall I start? Start right away. Start right away. Shall I go? Shall I go? Yes, you may. Yes, you may. Need anything else? Need anything else? No, thank you. No, thank you. May I eat? May I eat? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Isn't it tough? Isn't it tough? It's super easy. It's super easy. Isn't it good? Isn't it good? No, it's good. No, it's good. Is it possible? Is it possible? It is not possible. It is not possible. Is anything wrong? Is anything wrong? Nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Is anything left? Is anything left? Nothing is left. Nothing is left. Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Nobody is home. Nobody is home. How was it? How was it? It was great. It was great. Have you heard? Have you heard? Yes, few times. Yes, few times. Has someone come? Has someone come? Nobody has come. Nobody has come. Do you care? Do you care? Yes, very little. Yes, very little. Did you notice? Did you notice? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Did you hear? Did you hear? না আমি শুনিনি. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Can you dance? Can you dance? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. At what time? At what time? At 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock. Are you up? Are you up? Yes, I am up. Yes, I am up. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? No, I am not. No, I am not. Are you sure? Are you sure? I am sure. I am sure. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? No, I am not. No, I am not. Are you done? Are you done? I am done. I am done. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I am free. No, I am free. Am I late? Am I late? No, you are early. No, you are early. Am I daydreaming? Am I daydreaming? No, it's real. No, it's real. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I am finishing the video here today. Hope this class will help you a lot in learning English. The only easy way to learn English is to practice every day. It is not possible to speak English without practice. Like or comment if you like the video and share the video with your friends if you can. Stay well and keep learning English with me.